Hey plant lover, how you doing? I'm sure most of us are in the middle of spring season and you must be so excited to see all the plants just coming out of dormancy. Well, let's get you even more excited with this new video on rose plants. Buying a plant is easy, making it thrive is whole another story. You agree? In this video I'll share what all I have learned with my time raising rose plants, and most of these things can be applied to all the plants that are bought from nurseries. What to look for in a plant when picking it up from a nursery, what season you should buy it in, what should you do for first 2-3 weeks, when to repot it, what soil combination, how to make the pot. This is quite an interesting subtopic, watering schedule, and so many other things as we go further in this video. Please make sure you watch the whole video. All things work great only if done together, or the plant will just fall apart. Also hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. Let's go. Now, what to look for in a plant when picking it up from a nursery? The leaves should be healthy. Rest of the things you won't be able to figure out, like the roots or flowering as yet. Hence, decide on a plant that is showing new shoots, leaves and stem that looks healthy without any brown or black markings. And if you can get a plant with few buds, awesome. Now it would be up to your care to induce heavy flowering once the plant has been with you for at least a year. What season you should buy it in? When winters are just ending or the beginning of spring. Avoid harsh summers and winters completely, simply because it would require a lot more from you in these seasons, and one slip and you might lose the plant for good. When to repot it? Fourth week from the day you bought it would be a great time to repot the plant, given it is used to its new environment. What should you do for first 2-3 weeks? First 2-3 weeks, all you got to do is water the plant religiously once every 4 days, and it's quite important to wash off the leaves of rose plants once in a while in the evenings, or you might have a classic case of spider mites and other pests ruining your plant. Let the plant be in an area that gets 2-3 hours of direct sun. Too much or too little sun would just not work for a rose plant. How to make the pot? Quite an interesting subtopic as mentioned earlier. The pot should have excellent drainage and roots shouldn't be exposed to water for long periods. Hence, add some pebbles, stones at the base so that you create a kind of water vacuum. Soil combination: 2 parts normal garden soil, 1 part neem or any other good compost, and 1 part sand. If you have river sand available, even better. Watering schedule. Rose plant needs more water than your average house plant, and that's why watering once every 4 days is ideal. During hot summer months, you should water once every 3 days. Also, once the flowers have seen their bloom, you can cut them off and you'll see a lot of new buds and flowers. However, if you want, you can let these rose hips to stay and they'll form seeds. And you can grow them back into new plants. Of course, I'll bring out a video wherein we'll discuss all about these rose hips and how to grow rose plants from seeds. So wait for it. That was the video. Please make sure you share it with everyone who's into plants as we are. I'll see you again soon with more exciting videos. Also, if you have any questions, feedback or suggestions, please feel free to share them, and rest assured we'll have a discussion. Thank you so much for your time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep growing plants. Cheers.